Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I installed this glueless wig. So continue watching. So this video is sponsored by Wig Fever, and I'm going to go ahead and unbox my package and show you guys what I received. So I got a wig cap, a melt band, a tail comb, a satin edge scarf, a thank you card. I also received a bonnet, a satin bag that you can store the wig in, and of course I got the wig itself. So this wig is a pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, everything put on and go wig. So this is a water wave wig. As you can see, it is already plugged for you guys. This wig is so natural. It is a 14-inch wig and it is 180 density. So I'm going to show you guys the inside of the wig. We also have that adjustable band. And this is a closure wig if I didn't mention it already. So let's get into the curls because you know water wave is my favorite curl. So we're going to get into this install. So first things first, my hair is already braided straight back into 2 braids. And I'm going in with my Ebin spray, and I'm just spraying my hairline where the lace is going to sit, and I'm going to just push back any hairs that are in my way. And once I've done that, I'm going to put on my wig cap. And when I put on my wig caps, especially for my glueless units, I just like to push the wig cap back a little bit behind my hairline. And then I'm going to be adding my concealer with my makeup brush on the portion that the lace will be sitting. And once I've applied it onto the wig cap, I will be applying it to the closure portion of the wig as well. Once that's done, I just go ahead and put the wig on. So as I said before, you do not need any glue, any adhesive, nothing like that to put on this wig. This is a glueless unit. It is done for you. Everything is just done for you. You can just put it on. So as you guys can see, I'm flashing the wig like it's just as easy as that. So I am going to part my hair back into a middle part, make my part nice and crisp. And then I'll be going in with my Pierce hair wax stick, and I'm just using it on the root of the hair, and I'm using my hot comb over it. And this is just to make the hairline really flat. You do not need to do it, but I personally like doing it to my wigs. All right, so once I have hot combed the closure portion, this is how it is looking. So now I'm just showing you guys that this is something you could take off and put on. It is as simple as that. So that is great, especially for those that are beginners. This is definitely beginner friendly. So now that I have put the closure on and all that good stuff, I am going to spray the hair just a little bit because I like how nice and fluffy the hair is. I still wanted to go ahead and wet it a bit just to kind of tame the hair, but I still wanted it to be big, so that's why I didn't go in sections and wet the hair. And once I've done that, I am just going to part out some baby hairs. And this is not necessary. This is not something you have to do. I like doing baby hairs on my wigs, so that's what I'm doing now.
In the morning, you got me up all cause you need to talk. To 4 in the evening, wanna break up, say that you've had enough. I'm tired of talking again and again, argue about everything. You are my darling, this kiss and make up, I know you wanna touch. You call me every night, call me every day, I just wanna get you alone now. Trust me when I say we gon' be okay, we just gotta boom bada boom ba. I don't wanna fight, you know that I'm right. Baby, let me talk to your body. We gon' be okay, hear me when I say, if you need me, I'm gonna be by your side. If you want me, I'm gonna be there, alright. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way. If you call me, I'm gonna pick up the phone. If you tell me, I'm gonna meet you alone. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you right way. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you right way. I'm gonna treat you right every night. I'm gonna treat you right every day. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you right way. When we're out dancing, you on my hips, me on your lips, so sweet. Both understanding. When we're a team, nothing can get to me. I'm yours for the taking. Every part, all of my heart you get. I don't fear nothing when I'm with you, and baby, when you're with me. You call me every night, call me every day, I just wanna get you alone now. Trust me when I say, we gon' be okay, we just gotta boom bada boom ba. I don't wanna fight, you know that I'm right. Baby, let me talk to your body. We gon' be okay, hear me when I say, if you need me, I'm gonna be by your side. If you want me, I'm gonna be there, alright. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way. If you call me, I'm gonna pick up the phone. If you tell me, I'm gonna meet you alone. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you the right way. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you the right way.
Alright guys, so now that my baby hairs are done and I just went through the top of my hair with my hot comb again, I am just adding some BioSilk to my curls just to make it feel soft. Like I mentioned this in my previous videos, I just got this off of TikTok and I actually liked how the hair has been feeling with the BioSilk in it, so I've just been using it. It is definitely not necessary, but I like it. So that's exactly what you see me doing now. And then I'm just using my BioSilk shine spray and I'm just spraying that all over my hair. And I like to also pat it on my lace as well. So guys, this is how it's looking. I thought it was super cute. I also did, sorry, I forgot to mention, I also did go in with some concealer on my part just to make the part look more realistic. It just helped the blend. So I do suggest doing that if you have a little small brush, or you can also use the end of your tail comb to make that part. But yeah guys, so this is basically the final look. It was super cute. It was super cute. Everybody loved this hair on me. So shout out to Wig Fever for sending over this unit. It was beautiful. And I love a water wave. So as you can see, I'm putting my tail comb through it. You guys can see that it is definitely not glued down. So shout out to Wig Fever for sending over this unit. All the details will be down in my description box below, so you can go ahead and check them out and see if there's anything on their site that you guys would like. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you guys learned something. Let me know in the comments below what curl products you guys use in your curly hair. But thank you guys for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. And yeah, that's about it guys. So I will see you in the next video.